Tower.
I forgot to put anti-fog on those, so when I sit still, these
It just looks like it has a lot of room.
Let's go right this time.
I'm the slow nation army.
Grab one.
Hey, buddy. No moving.
Here's mine.
That's our guys.
That's our guys. That's our guys.
Don't shoot.
You got KWA mags? You dropped your mag.
Thanks, man.
That would have been a hell of a shot.
Yeah.
Yep.
Now what's that left? Go right here. Go back.
I got 2 or 3 guys in the first floor.
Crossing.
Back in the middle. Middle? Yeah.
They're in the courtyard. Enemy in the courtyard.
The white building, one on the corner of the L shape.
On the left.
Enemy in the courtyard. What do you got in there? Whoa. That was slippery.
Other side?
Clear.
Watch out here. Another square.
Where is the other room?
He's other room. No, other room. Other side. Hit!
Good job, man.
I'm not ambidextrous. Tried. It didn't work. It didn't. Again. Stand by walking. Stand by walking.
Brother, I wish I was a medic. Yeah, I see it. Is that friendly? All right. Friendly, friendly, he just said. All right, everywhere else in here is bad. All right. All right. Watch precinct. There's people in there too. There's people in that precinct too. All right, I just shot him in the hand. I don't know if he's gonna call it or not.
You mean in the
Precinct, the next building.
Gotcha.
Yeah, he called it. I see his rifle.
Good job. Well, I'm sure there's probably people by the stairs.
Oh yeah. Well, they can't go up the stairs. Is the only thing. Oh, I got another one in there. He's got a buddy in the precinct. What you got?
I think you're far too aggressive to be a medic. Yeah, well, it was me and Mike at first.
Yep.
And then, well, actually a group of us, and then else up in there. Me and Mike puts it here. And then, like, there's like 4 guys who I think fix it.
That may be friendly. I don't know.
No,
it's not.
Shit. Forgot to pull that far.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
I'm not a medic, unfortunately. Our medics.
Yeah, there's only 4 medics. It's really kind of low.
Yeah, this guy's dead. He was one of them.
I think all medics are back there just chilling.
We got to check my left side. I didn't realize we didn't push up that far. They can see my dead rag.
Yeah, exactly. See him get tore up.
I think they just see my shoulder popping out or whatever. Yeah, we need more medics for this game. It just bogs down, so there's only
4.
a quarter of the people left, and you only can't really push.
Yep. I'm gonna go around the corner here and.
Yeah, that always happens with this, but at least usually I'm looking at
Yep. I don't know if they're friendly or not.
Those guys are friendly. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, we got the Escher. All right. Now we got courtyard. We also got the guy in the precinct building.
North side, need a medic! North side, need a medic!
They're in the courtyard as well. They're in the precinct building. Clear. Room is clear.
If you guys feel me, I'll be on your guys' side.
Yeah. Doorway on the right. Well, if you want to be on our side, I can pull you over, but we don't have a medic though.
I'm one of the medics from the other side.
Gotcha. Hey, Thor, I'm gonna go clear that room. All right. You're out.
Got the one, dude.
All right, we got friendlies moving up over there on that side. That side's covered.
Man, I'm out, dude. I'll just move it out of the way.
He's on the next room on your side, Mike.
Which room? The left or the right? Or like the actual room right there?
No, the far room to your right.
Far room to my right?
Yeah, all the way to your
right. Watch that right room. Right there, right there, right there.
Contact left. Contact left far.
All right.
Outside the window.
Mark on this side.
Okay, didn't see no rag.
See the guy's contact left?
Hit. He's hit too. We traded. He was already hit actually.
Really? Well, why did you pull a gun on me?
Oh, did you pull a gun on him? Because I already shot you.
I didn't feel it. Fucking in the neck.
Yeah, I shot your center mass pretty much.
North side
so.
precinct!